Okay, ladies, what you're gonna need is a comb, a razor, some scissors, some rubber bands, clippers, and a flat iron. I sectioned off the hair into like 4 sections. I used my ears as a guideline where I wanted the sides to be longer and the front to be longer, but I want to trim. I'm focusing this video on trimming the back part. I'm sectioning it off in half, the back, and I'm gonna make the top piece, put the rubber band higher at the top and 1 inch lower at the bottom. What's up, guys? So I'm missing a whole segment of my video where I cut the other side, I cut both sides in a diagonal shape. But basically what I did was took the clippers and just did it straight down the side, but not straight, but in a diagonal. And you can see where it's blunt cut on the left side and the process before I started curling it. I must have lost that clip, but I hope you guys can understand.